Well, COVID was a big surprise. For us, we had launched 2 years before COVID a Black Swan ETF because we really felt like these types of Black Swan risks do occur from time to time. We wanted to have something in our product line to address kind of these sudden market drops. We knew that we couldn't address the exact risk that potentially could come to cause a black swan, but we thought we could address kind of the market type event, a 20% or more decline, and that's why we launched the Black Swan ETF. And that was a big surprise to see an event happen so quickly. And certainly the Black Swan ETF, held up with the S&P down over 30%. Black Swan during that crisis was down only about 5%. But on the flip side, Jay, was the unbelievable rebound we saw in the equity market. And for us, we have the first online retail ETF, and online sales just exploded. We saw about 2 to 3 years of increased sales activity happen all just last year, and it was great for that segment. iBuy is our ETF there, so we didn't expect for online retail to see such accelerated growth, but it did. We also saw other businesses and exposures we have, like, for example, cannabis. Our cannabis ETF, we saw cannabis for the first time be declared an essential business in many states, which really elevated the attractiveness of that segment. And certainly the other area that was maybe a little surprised that we didn't expect was all this kind of the bailout money, the stimulus, and the impact it had on crypto and blockchain related stocks. Having the largest and best performing crypto sensitive ETF, the blockchain ETF, ticker BLOK, that benefited. So COVID really created this disruptive event. And fortunately, we had several different strategies and themes that were really able to take advantage in a way that we hadn't really planned several years ago when we launched most of these products.